So now, let's talk about the properties of functions. So we have three properties of functions. First is the injective, surjective, and bijective. So let's talk about first the injective or one-to-one function. A function f is injective if and only whenever f of x is equal to f of y. So simply means the value of x is equal to the value of y, or x is equal to y. Second, surjective, magnitude 1, also called onto. A function f from the set a to b is surjective if and only if for every in b there is at least one x in a such that f of x is equal to y. In other words, function is surjective if and only if of a is equal to b. Third, bijective, both one-to-one or onto. Every b has some a. So that is the three properties of functions. Now, let's talk about the inverse function. So, the inverse of an element y in y is the set of possible values in x, such that f of x is equal to y. This denotes by y is equal to x is an element of x such that f of x is equal to y. So, how are we going to find the inverse function? So, in finding the inverse, change the position of x and y and solve for y in terms of x. So, example, y is equal to 2x plus 1. So, first, change the position of x and y. So, it will be x is equal to 2y plus 1. So, next is apply the property of additive inverse. So, 2y is equal to x minus 1. Then, we will going to apply the multiplicative inverse. So, we will go to x minus 1 over 2. So, y inverse of y is equal to x minus 1 over 2. So this is the graph. So, let's move to operation of functions. So, operation of functions, there is 5. So, addition, multiplication, composition of functions, subtraction, and division. So, in addition, f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. In multiplication, f times g of x is equal to f of x multiplied by g of x. So, composition of function is f composed of x. So, subtraction, f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. In division, if divided by g of x is equal to f of x divided by g of x. So, example, given f of x is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1, g of x is equal to x plus 1, f composed of g of 2. So, f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. So f of x plus g of x is, which is the given of f of x is x squared plus 2x plus 1, and g of x is x plus 1. So, combining like terms, so our answer is x squared plus 3x plus 2. In subtraction, f minus g of x, f of x minus g of x. So, the same given, x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus x plus 1. So, cancel so we will going to factor the x squared plus 2x plus 1. So, it will be x plus 1 squared. So, our answer is x squared plus x. So, third, f multiplied by g of x. So, f of x times g of x. So, x squared plus 2x plus 1 times x plus 1. So, x squared times x cubed, x squared times 1, x squared. Then 2x times x is equal to 2x squared, and 2x times 1, so 2x, and then 1 times x is equal to x, then 1 times 1, 1. So are combining like terms. So x cubed plus 3x squared plus x squared plus 3x. So we will have the so our answer is x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. So number 4, f composed of g of x. So where g of x is equal to x plus 1, g of 2, where the value of x in the given is 2. So x plus 1. So g composed of 2. So we will substitute the value of x into 2. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Then f composed of g. So composition of function was in number 4. So f of 3. So because in the value of g of 2, we will have the answer of 3. So our value of x in this equation is 3. So 3 squared plus 2 times 3 plus 1. So 9 plus 6 plus 1 is equal to 16. So f composed of g of 2 is equal to 16.